Hello viewers and welcome to my channel. Today we are making this super simple vegan strawberry cheesecake. It's very easy to make and will freeze well for up to 2 months. For the best results, cut the cheesecake into wedges while it is still slightly frozen in the middle. For the topping we will need 450 grams of strawberries, whole and halved, and 50 grams of sugar. For the base we will need 250 grams of digestive biscuits, roughly broken, and 100 grams of vegan butter melted. For the filling we will need 397 grams of vegan condensed milk, 300 grams of vegan soft cheese, 200 milliliters of vegan double cream, and zest of 1 lemon, finely grated. Put your freezer setting onto fast freeze or clear some space in the rapid freezing section, the coldest part of your freezer, at least an hour before making the cheesecake. To start, line a 23 cm spring clip cake tin with aluminum foil. Press down well into the base and sides of the tin and leave plenty hanging over the edges. Now to make the topping, place 200 grams of the strawberries in a saucepan with the sugar and 1 tablespoon of cold water. Cook gently for 5 minutes, stirring regularly until the strawberries are very soft. Remove from the heat and stir in the reserved raw strawberries and leave to cool. Put the digestive biscuits in a freezer bag and bash to crumbs with a rolling pin. Now put butter into a saucepan onto the oven and melt. Once butter is melted, mix biscuits with the melted butter. Then tip the buttered crumbs into the prepared tin and press firmly into the base to create an even layer. Put in the freezer for 20 to 30 minutes or until solid. Just before the base is ready, use an electric whisk to beat the condensed milk and cheese mix well, then add double cream and mix together until thickened. This will take around 5 minutes. Add the grated zest and beat until the cheese mixture forms very stiff peaks. Spoon over the biscuit base and top with the cold strawberry sauce. Put in freezer to freeze for 3 hours or until solid. To serve, unwrap the cheesecake while frozen, removing all the foil, and put on a plate or cake stand. Thaw at room temperature for about 1 hour before serving. If leaving any longer, place in the fridge. Eat within a couple of days. We have come to the end of the video. Once again, please make sure to like, subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss my next upload.